Jackson. Out on the street where the summer sun does shine. Had me quite a few of them ballroom queens here in Jackson. But I just can't seem to drink that love, baby, off of my brain. Well, it's a honk woman. You give me the honky-tonk blues. I played me a T-ball C in New York City. I put up some kind of a fight. Lady then, she covered me in roses. Well, she blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a honk woman. You beg, give me them honky-tonk blues. It's a honky-tonk woman. You beg, give me them honky-tonk blues.
Man, brother, your groove is so good. I hope you get good things out of that, man. Man. I record a lot of this stuff and I look at it later, man. I'm gonna set my little camera back there. I want to get you rolling. I mean, your groove is impeccable. Did you take dance in school?